Many people feel tired at some point during the day. Even though they eat their breakfast, they already lost their energy in the afternoon or even in the morning. A lack of energy could affect your daily activities and make you less productive. Do you also feel this way recently? If yes, let's find out why. When you eat a lot of food, that doesn't mean you will have a lot of energy for the whole day. The quantity of food you eat does indeed give an essential role in determining your energy, but we should also consider what kind of foods you are eating. All foods give you energy. Some foods contain nutrients that could help increase your energy levels and maintain your alertness and focus throughout the day. But there are also a lot of foods that makes you more lethargic and sluggish. So what are foods to eat or drinks to boost energy effectively throughout the day? First are fatty fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, sardines, herring, trout, anchovies, shrimp, catfish, oysters, and many more. Oily fish is rich in omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation, which is a common cause of fatigue. Eggs are also an energy-boosting food. Eggs are packed with protein, which can give you a steady and sustained source of energy because it does not cause spikes in blood sugar and insulin when it is digested. Water. Drinking 8 glasses of water or more every day is essential for optimal functioning of the body. Although water doesn't provide energy in the form of calories, it helps facilitate the energetic process in the body, which is an energy boost in itself. Drink water instead of energy drinks, soda, or fruit juices that have a lot of sugar content. Green tea. Green tea contains L-theanine that can increase focus, alertness, and mental concentration. I recommend drinking this tea every day because it gives a lot more benefits to our body and not just energy. Leafy green vegetables. You're probably already expecting this. Vegetables are packed with nutrients that promotes energy. They are high in calcium, magnesium, potassium, vitamins A, C, E, K, folate, iron, and more. It provides a good amount of iron for which it enhances the production of red blood cells for the efficient delivery of oxygen to cells, which is known to fight fatigue. Seeds and nuts. This includes chia seeds, flax seeds, almonds, walnuts, cashew nuts. Just like fatty fish, these contain omega-3 and 6 fatty acids that prevents inflammation. It helps the cells function properly. The nutrients you get are digested slowly, hence provide steady and sustained release of energy throughout the day. Avocado. Avocado is a superfood because it gives a lot of health benefits and not just energy booster. They are rich in healthy fats and fiber, which are monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, just like fatty fish. We are not talking about the fats you accumulate in your belly. These are fats that your body needs for optimal body functions. There are more healthy foods that can boost our energy throughout the day and at the same time keeps our body healthy as well. But these are just common foods that I have listed in here. There are known foods that has a lot of energy boosting benefits, but I do not recommend since I promote keto diet. These have high carbohydrates that can spike insulin, so please take note of this. This includes banana, sweet potato, potatoes, oats, whole wheat bread, corn, pumpkin, apples, and mangoes. These are healthy and has lots of benefits, but you can get these nutrients to the foods I have mentioned a while back, so I prefer eating those instead of these. If you need more help specifically what to eat every day, I have listed food lists and recipes that you can get by going in the description below and clicking the link. These are keto food lists, so you will be more aware on what you eat if it's going to benefit you or the other way around. Alright guys, that is it for today. If you like the video, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, let me know what kind of diet do you do right now. Is it keto, fasting, both, which is better, paleo, Vegetarian? Let me know by dropping a comment below. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video.